Meet the members of the team and find out the story behind Windows Need Cleaning. Meet Graham and Tracy, the proud owners of Windows Need Cleaning. With their combined expertise and passion for their craft, they've built a business that's dedicated to providing outstanding service to their clients. Whether it's a small residential property or a large commercial building, they have the skills and experience to handle any job. They understand the importance of clean windows and the impact it has on the overall look and feel of a property. With Graham and Tracy at the helm, you can trust that your windows are in good hands and will be clean to perfection. Meet Graham, owner and founder of Windows Need Cleaning. Graham is not your average window cleaner. He's a man who has had a career as a gamekeeper for 20 years, rubbing shoulders with the rich and famous, but still can't quite explain how he ended up in the window cleaning industry. Graham is also a man of service, having served in the British Army for 12 years, serving in various parts of the world, and even had the honor of being part of the Guard of Honor at the royal wedding of Princess Diana. His journey to becoming a window cleaner may have been unexpected, but it's precisely his diverse background that makes him uniquely qualified to run a window cleaning business. Now head of marketing, Graham is responsible for creating and executing marketing strategies to promote our business and attract new customers. Meet Tracy. She will be the friendly voice you'll hear when you call our office, and the helpful hand behind every email you receive. Tracy is the one who makes sure your queries are answered and your needs are met, with her sharp attention to detail and warm personality. Tracy ensures that every interaction you have with our company is a positive one. She's the unsung hero of our team, working tirelessly to keep everything running smoothly. If you ever have a question or concern, know that Tracy is just a phone call or email away, ready and eager to assist you. Tracy is the ultimate multitasker of our company. She's the friendly face that greets you on site visits, who will meticulously visit every property to provide accurate quotes. With her keen eye for detail and personalized approach, she's able to craft a quote that's tailored to your unique needs. We do not give over-the-phone estimates, but takes the time to visit your property and truly understand its nuances before providing you with a quote. This ensures that you're getting a fair and accurate quote. She's the one who guarantees that we deliver the perfect service at the perfect price. With Tracy on your case, you can sit back, relax and trust that your property is in good hands. Meet Andy. Our seasoned veteran of the window cleaning industry. With over 12 years of experience under his belt and a wealth of knowledge and skills, he's the go-to guy for all of our toughest window cleaning challenges. There's no job too big or small for Andy. He's a true master of his craft and a valuable asset to our team. We're lucky to have him on board and know that our clients are in good hands with him on the job. Meet Glenn. The youngest member of our team. Glenn has been with us for over 5 years and has already made a name for himself as a dedicated and skilled window cleaner. He takes great pride in his work and it shows in the sparkling results he achieves. With a passion for window cleaning that is rare to find, he loves every aspect of it, from the satisfaction of transforming a dirty window into a crystal clear one, to the feeling of accomplishment at a job well done. With Glenn on the job, you can trust that your windows will be clean to perfection and with a smile. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.